besides the content, one of the things that really excites me about this release is how proud I am of everybody that contributed to it. So, believe it or not, we're in the middle of the pandemic, and it really put a hurting on a lot of the industry. It put, this is an essential industry, and it put a hurting on a lot of the people in it, and it put a hurting on our capabilities to test. So one of the things we pride ourselves on is our testing that we do, right? And building all these features in requires, not only the development part of it, which a lot of that was happening when all of us were quarantined at home, right? So these guys were doing this work, and they were doing the work from home, and they were going out to customers that would allow us to come and test on their sites, right? So we have lots of partners and friends around here that helped us get where we're going. So everybody that made a contribution, I'm very proud of. I'm very proud of the engineers. When it came down to release time, they all stepped up and stretched their level of comfort and got out there and did anything they could to help get this thing out the door. And I don't think they did it for any reason but they get that what they're doing is so important, so vital to the industry, so vital to what we do as a company, and that our customers were really in need of some of the things that we put into this release. And guess what? It's coming out. And I can't thank the engineers enough. I know they've heard it a bunch of times in many meetings, and sometimes I get a little emotional in the meetings because it means so much to me to be able to provide for the people that I know are helping pay our paychecks, right? And it's important. So I do appreciate it. To the engineers, I really, really, really applaud them.